Hello, beautiful students. I hope you are fine. This is our lesson today, Unit 6, Lesson 7. And of course, open your class book page 80. Class book page 80. Okay, are you ready? Now let's start the warming up. Okay. Of course, you can see the picture now. And can you tell me who is this? Yeah, great. This is a boy. Good. And what's this? Great. This is home. So, a boy lives in a home. A boy lives in a home. I'm gonna ask you the question, where do you live? Do you live in a home or a house or a flat? Okay? Of course, most of us live in a home or a house or a flat. Okay? This is where people live. People live in a place like that. Okay? All people, most people live in a place like that. It is called home. Home. This is our home. Now let's move to animals and see where do they live. Okay? Look at this picture carefully and tell me, what's this? What's this? Yeah, great. This is rabbit. Rabbit, okay? And where does the rabbit live? Can you see the hole here? Can you see the hole? It's the place where the rabbits live. It's the place where the rabbits live, okay? So this is ground. The rabbit lives in the ground. In the ground. Rabbits live in the ground. Repeat after me. Rabbit, ground. Rabbit, ground. Rabbits live in the ground. Now let's move and see another animal. Yeah, great. Can you tell me what's this? Easy, right? It's a bird. It's a bird. And where does the bird live? Can you tell me what's this? It's not home. We live in homes, but birds live in nest. This is called the nest. Repeat after me. Bird, nest. Bird, nest. Okay? So birds live in a nest. A nest. Okay? Now, let's go and see a different animal. Oh yeah, can you see? Can you see the animal inside here? And what's this animal? What is it called? It's called squirrel. Repeat after me. Squirrel. Squirrel. Okay? And can you tell me what's that? Where does the squirrel live? Let's see. Yeah, it lives in a tree. Squirrels live in a tree. Squirrels live in a tree. A tree. Squirrel, tree. Now let's move and see the last animal. And it's a scary animal, okay? Scary, okay? What's this? What is it called? It's called bat. Bat. And where does the bat live? Can you see? Yeah, of course. Bats live in a cave. A cave, okay? Bat, cave, bat, cave. So as you can see, we have different homes, okay? We have different homes. Now let's go to our class book and answer this riddle, okay? Are you ready? Listen carefully and tell me which animal. Is it the squirrel? Is it the bat, or the bird, or the rabbit? A squirrel or a bat or a bird or a rabbit? I'm gonna read number one and tell me which animal it is, okay? I've got 4 legs. 4 legs. Think carefully. Which animal have 4 legs? Okay. I got a tail. I can climb. I live in a tree. Here you can tell me which animal. I live in a tree. Who am I? Which animal of these live in a tree? Yeah, of course, that's so easy. This is a squirrel. So match the squirrel with number 1. Okay? Now let's move to number 2. I've got wings. I've got wings. Of course, you can see we have here bird and bat. They have wings. But which one of these? Let's see. I've got a beak. I've got a beak. Of course, you know what does beak mean, okay? I can fly. Okay? I live in a nest. Oh, here you know which animal. Where can you see the nest? Is this a nest or this a nest? Yeah. Who am I? Yeah, great. It's a bird. Birds live in a nest. This is called a nest, okay? So match the bird with number 2. Now let's move to the next. I've got 2 legs. 2 legs. Yeah, that's easy now. 2 legs. Of course, if you see to the 2 pictures, you will see which one has 2 legs. I haven't got a beak. I can fly. I live in a cave. I live in a cave. That's easy. Who am I? Yeah. I am sure it's the bat. Yeah. Because bats live in a cave. Okay? So we're gonna match number 3 with the bat, okay? The last one is so easy now. I've got 4 legs. Of course, you can see the rabbit and the 4 legs. I've got big ears. Of course, you can see the big ears, okay? I can run. Yeah, rabbits can run fast. I live in the ground. Of course, this is the ground where the rabbits live. Who am I? That's easy, rabbit. It's you, rabbit. Okay? So this is so easy. Okay? Now let's move to the activity book and open your activity book page 54. 54. Activity book. Okay? And now let's see. Read and number. Read and number. I'm gonna read the sentence and tell me which picture. Is it 1 or 2 or 3 or 4? Of course, you know these animals. A bird, a rabbit, a bat, a squirrel. I live in a cave. I live in a cave. Which animal lives in a cave? Yeah, this is not cave. This is not cave. Yeah, great. This is cave. So write number 3. Write number 3 here, okay? Now let's move to the next. It lives in a tree. It lives in a tree. It lives in a tree. Where is the tree? Yes, this is tree where the squirrel lives. Okay, so right here number 4. Okay, it lives in the ground. Now we done from the bat and from the squirrel. We have 2 pictures here, a bird and a rabbit. It lives in the ground. Which one lives in the ground? Yeah, great. The rabbit lives in the ground. So right here number 2. And the last one is the bird. It lives in a nest. It lives in a nest. So nest, this is number 1, bird. Okay. Now let's move to the next exercise, and it's a riddle. Okay, look at this picture. Of course you can see the snake. Okay, look at the snake and tell me which word is correct. I haven't got, it means no. I haven't got eyes or legs. Look at the snake. Yeah, there are eyes here, but can you see legs? No legs. So I haven't got legs. Okay, I've got a mouth or a beak. Look at the snake. Is this mouth or beak? Of course this is not beak, this is mouth, so circle this. I can't walk because he has no legs. It has no legs. And I can or can't fly. Can a snake fly? Can snakes fly? No. So, and I can or I can't fly. Of course I can't fly. Who am I? I am a snake, of course. Okay. Here I am gonna tell you some information and tell me which I am talking about, which thing I am talking about. I've got 2 legs. I've got 2 legs. 2 legs. I've got 2 legs. Like that. Okay? I haven't got wings. No wings. I can talk. I can talk. I can speak. I can speak. Okay? I can't fly because I have no wings. Who am I? Can you tell me who am I? This is a funny drawing. Yeah. Can you see it? Can you draw? Can you draw better than this? What I'm talking about? 2 legs, no wings. I can talk. I can't fly. Who am I? Okay, let's go back to this picture and you will see. Yeah, can you see? Of course we studied this word. We are humans. People. Yeah, I am talking about human. Okay? So we are gonna write here. Human. 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 Okay? This is our lesson today. Thank you for joining us. enjoy watching and write any comments. Okay, and if you have any question, do not hesitate to contact me and ask me this question, and I'll be happy. I'm gonna to be so happy to answer all your questions. Okay, thank you so much, and